Another's touch and getting drunk, to staying up and waking up with you. And now we're sleeping at the edge, holding something we don't need. All this delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be you, not me? Everything that's wrong, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you, not me?
See, as I lay here and get lost into those eyes, can't deny my feelings for your being, they run deep inside. And we both know a hunger for some lust is all that's appetized. No ties is how it's advertised. I say we love these moments, but that's half a lie. Damn, you're trying to figure me out, and in your eyes I see the pain and fear that turns into doubt. Yeah, you find peace inside your mind as we lay here on this couch. And that's even though you know this moment may not last past now. It's not fair, you're in my air, Mark, are you wasting my time? We're so hard to define, it's a shame a name will eliminate time. Cause what's forever to a fly is forever till we die. And if I let you have your way, you would just stay. Cause I rhyme, my connection is empty, and lately I've been searching for real. Do you remember how it feels to live and actually feel? She broke me down, so now you're left with all my pieces to heal. How can you steal something from someone who has nothing to steal? That's real.
Just let it be. Why don't you be you, not me? Everything that's wrong, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you, not me? Yeah.
See, as you lay here, or as we lay here, you unbother your questions, you're asking why you can't stay here. The truth, I'm trying to lose all my feelings before they appear. Wanna be clear, but it's hard with this naked body I lay near. I know I should've chose someone that matters, no bitches. I'm wishing I listened, I could've saved my heart from the stitches. We're kissing, I listen, you're telling me your favorite position, when really all I wanna hear is that you're loyal and driven. We're living in a world where girls are thinking diamonds are love. We're mining it up to remind us of us, paying for trust, do you get it? She told me, Mark, just forget it. I wanna change this world, and girl, I just don't think that you get it. This pressure is heavy, not ready to just let you forget me. But when this all is said and done, you gon' regret that you met me. I used to wanna find a feeling, now I'm feeling so empty. But honestly, I wanna thank you for the love that you lent me. That's real.
Another's touch and getting drunk, to staying up and waking up with you. And now we're sleeping at the edge, holding something we don't need. All this delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees.
never claim to be, cause perfect is perception, perception is all that they can see. A vacancy replacing the space and place where my heart should be. Harping on these emotions, self-loathing, broken, what's wrong with me? A song to me is more than just some bullshit in words. It's the only time some nobody like me will be heard. I was that kid that would get picked last, never the one that would skip class, never the puff when the piff passed. So me and a rap is a mismatch, right? Your stereotype got me feeling uptight, I've been wanting to fight, I've been up every night as I write and I write. I've been looking for light in the darkest of night, it's a bit of a pipe dream, that's what they told me. If I listened to your dumb ass, I'd regret it as the old me. Said I was perfect. See, I never claimed to be, cause perfect is perception, perception is all that they can see. Amazes me, I found a group of people who found faith in me. Team Witt until my death, I'll fucking take that to the grave with me. They can't see through bullshit, so they're left with only fake and weak. 10 writers to write timber, spill my soul and no one's playing me. It's plain to see, they hating me, they take what they can take from me. They'll never find no fake in me, they said my dream was make-believe. Well, thankfully, I use your hate to me to motivate. You see, I can be your everything, or every day your enemy, or every day your memory. You might just be a friend to me, you spend your time defending me, but me is all I tend to be. Know it's been a long time, I hear you're doing just fine. Graduated, got a job, and you've been working the grind. You're never looking behind. I know you never find me crossing your mind, but I'd be lying if you didn't cross mine. From time to time, I see some of your pictures online. Kindest regards was hard, I left my heart on the line. I wrote a song for you, took a couple months of my time. How can you praise him for flowers and a bottle of wine? You'll never be mine. Remember the time I came to see you? I thought it would just be you, but there's 12 other people. You see, there was never we, so we could never be a sequel. Thought it might have been a date that dated anything to see you, but I'm nothing more than nothing. You're bluffing, saying you care. Our only real connection is memories that we share. I would never try to blame you, cause blaming you isn't fair. Not that you care, the stress is really starting to wear. And in my music, I took our story and I used it. Don't care how you were feeling, I'm busy dropping my new shit. No people gonna love it, I'm buzzing after I do it. I'm gifted with the curse of honesty, and the truth is I loved you more than words, I didn't know how to prove it. Can't tell you that in person, but always could through my music. Everyone who said they cared isn't there, now I'm confused. I'm broken and bruised, lonely, open, empty, and stupid. And still I thought I had it all figured out. You would never fall for me now. I wonder if you wonder why I'm never around. I wonder if you wonder what I'm doing right now. You can hear the pain in my sound, laughed as I fell to the ground. I wonder if you wonder why I'm never around. I wonder if you wonder what I'm doing. I can't lie, hurt a little when you said you didn't want me. To know I never tried is what continues to haunt me. Every pic I see is you and him, is Twitter trying to taunt me. You thinking let it go, this is old and exhausting. Some offspring, family in the house is what I thought about. Sometimes I wonder if he'll get that now. See, we know that you picked a different path, me I picked a different route, and I can't help but laugh at how this all played out. You're over me now, I'm hoping you found only the best. Remember when we used to rap that Kanye West? Graduation and rotation, cause you like that best. And back then I didn't want you, now look, I'm a mess. I opened my chest and through me you could see no spine. My profile picking lyrics I've been hiding behind. It looks like you found the love that I was hoping to find. The only you I love's the one that I create in my mind. And still I thought I had it all figured out. You would never fall for me now. I wonder if you wonder why I'm never around. I wonder if you wonder what I'm doing right now. You can hear the pain in my sound. Laughed as I fell to the ground. I wonder if you wonder why I'm never around. I wonder if you wonder what I'm doing right now. I thought I had it all figured out. You would never fall for me now. I wonder if you wonder why I'm never around. I wonder if you wonder what I'm doing right now. You can hear the pain in my sound. Laughed as I fell to the ground. I wonder if you wonder why I'm never around. I wonder if you wonder what I'm doing right now. I often wonder if you ever did care. I wonder why in my mind is the only time you ever were there. See, we were friends, but that felt more like pretend this year. It's awfully clear the real us is what I fear. The one where we were only friends and I act like we dated. And nowadays our conversation is hey, happy belated. And every song I wrote for you, you know you actually hate it. Because you realize that you never felt the same when you played it. You never cared if I made it, that's why I waited. You know me, see all the love that I've been getting through my phone feels phony. I rhyme a couple words together, every girl wanna blow me. We're in a world full of people, yeah, I'm feeling so lonely. If only I could tell myself there's plenty fish in the sea. But see, the sea is full of sharks, fake guppies, and greed. And as I find myself drowning while I'm fighting to breathe, I realize that I'm in love with what I thought we could be.